Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In today's video, I'm gonna show you CapCut alternative that I just discovered recently. So if you're looking for all-in-one AI editing software, then this video is for you. While I was researching for easy to use video editing software that can help streamline my video editing process, I came across this particular software and I decided to give it a go. Guess what? The features that I discovered blew my mind. So that is why I decided to review this software today. This software is hit by Edimakor. It is an all-in-one AI video editing software that makes it possible for you to edit your video in one place. So to get the software, you can use the link in the description to download it. Once you download and install this particular software, the next thing is to launch it. Once you launch it, you're going to see an interface just like this. This interface is similar to CapCut. So if you are a CapCut user, you're going to find this particular software easy to use. So you have the create a video, the auto subtitle, screen recorder, AI video generator, text to speech, AI avatar, remove background. These are some of the features that actually makes the editing software to stand out. So if you want to capture your screen while teaching, all you have to do is to click on the screen recorder. You have the option to record your screen alone. You also have the option to capture your face while recording your screen. Then you have the option to record your screen while playing game if you are a gamer who streams to Twitch, YouTube and other game streaming platform. So that is that. Then beside the screen recorder, you also have the AI video generator. The AI video generator allows you to convert text into video. So once you click on it, the next thing is to paste your script. If you don't have the script, actually you can ask the AI copywriting to come up with a script for you. Then once that is ready, you click on next. The editing software will analyze your script and break it into scenes. As you can see, it has already done that. You have the option to add B-rolls if you already have the stock footage that you want to add. But if you don't want, you can also choose the auto pick for the software to pick the images randomly for you. Then you also have a few things to set. You can add the voiceover, subtitle. Just like CapCut, there are a lot of templates that you can choose from. Then you can add music if you want to. Then you can preview to see what you have. Once all of that is done, the next thing is to either proceed to advanced editing or export. So if you click on the exports, that simply means you'll be exporting the video to your computer. But if you decide to advance edit, that simply means it's going to open in Edimakor for you to continue with the editing process. So that is how the AI video generator actually works. You also have the text to speech. This particular tool allows you to turn your text into speech. So all you have to do is to simply paste the script and choose a voice. There are different voices to choose from. You can also choose the mode of the tune that you want. You have commonly, you have angry, you have chatting, you have delighted, you have excited, you have shouting, you have fear, you have unfriendly, you have whisper. So all you have to do is to pick the exact one that you need, then you generate, and that will be it. You also have the remove background option. This actually allows you to easily remove the background of any video with just a click of the button. You can see that the background is gone without even me doing anything. So that's actually how this particular one also works. You also have the option to add subtitle. Once you import the clip, and then you click on auto subtitling and you have it done for you. Those are basically the first few features that is necessary for you to know. Now, beside this one, there are several other features that actually made this particular tool to stand out. So let's look at them. You have the media, you have the tests. These are already made test templates that you can actually work with. You don't need to stress yourself. All you have to do is to just go through them, find the one that suits the video you're trying to create, and you bring it to the timeline and place it where you want it to be. Now, if I want this particular subscription button, it's just to download it, then press the icon and bring it. And do you know that there are morning leads here? I just have to resize it and place it at the exact place that I want it to be. Then I can ability change the text to whatever thing I want based on my brand or my client's brand. That's that for tests. We also have already made nice looking elements that you can also work with. We have audios as well that you can use to spice up your edits. Just scroll through. Once you find anyone that meets your need, you download. Once it is downloaded, you click on the plus icon and it will be brought to your timeline. Then you can do whatever thing you will with it. Can reposition it. If you want to increase or decrease the sound so that it doesn't overshadow the main clip, all you need to do is to click on it, then come to this side. You have the volume here. This is the volume control. You can increase it, you can reduce it, you can add fade in, you can add fade out, you can do noise reduction. All of these things is at your disposal to use. So beside audio, you also have transitions that you can add to your clip to make it smooth. These are different transitions that you can choose from. You also have filters. For outside this one, because most of these things you can actually find them in CapCut, there is this particular special integration that actually made this guy to really stand out very well. This integration is the integration with Pixabay on Flash and Ify. Now when you're doing your edit and you need stock footage for an overlay, most times you need to go to Unsplash, Pixabay, or even Kits and all of these stock footage websites to download and import. But here, all you need to do is to click on Pixabay and search for anything you're looking for. Let's say a moving car. Once you search and is open, download. And bring it to the timeline. So you can reposition it anywhere you like. That is just how it works. So you don't need to go back and forth to actually get this thing to the editing software. So basically this actually makes your editing very, very easy because you have virtually everything you need to create an amazing piece in one particular place. So you don't need to move back and forth. Once you fire up your Hitbar Edimakor, you're ready to go. So tell me what you think about it. Do you think Hitbar Edimakor is better than CapCut, or do you think they are at the same level, or do you think it is nowhere close to CapCut? I would like to hear your view. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and do well to like, subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.